Hi, welcome to the first lesson of this module where it says content is king. Yes, content is king, but isn't customer also a king? Yes, customer is king. Customer is always right. But why is content king? Because your customer is buying your product or your services, looking at your content. They have no interactions with you. They look at your content, they feel your content, and that is why they buy. And as explained, content is your first touch point, right? uh, yeah, and that's why content is king. If you have good content, you have lot of people coming into your website, filling into your funnels and getting all of these informations, buying your product, right? So content is king. And one thing that I want to be very clear about is there is no formula for creating viral content, right? Content creation is a lifelong thing for products, for brands, for services, because content is always ever evolving. Your product is evolving, your services is evolving. So content creation is not going to stop with just you do one content, sell it for 1 year. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to have a strict schedule of content creation, right? You need to be creating content every week or every 2 weeks or every excuse me, sorry. So you need to be creating content every week, once in 2 weeks or once a month, and putting new things on your Instagram page or your Facebook page or on your website. You need to keep evolving because all customers always want to see something new and feel something new. They always attach themselves with your brand or uh, with feelings, right? The way you make them feel, right? That is how content helps in generating revenue for your product or your services. Okay, so now let's get into the next topic of uh, how or what is a hook, how to create a hook. Yeah, see you in the next one.